Hello guys, welcome to MS Tech. In this video, I will be guiding you through on how you can do your self-click on your Google Admo app without getting banned. How you can do your self-click by yourself without getting banned by Google. So, without wasting much of our time, before we started, we will need some app to make this work out. So for Google not to detect you are the one doing the self-click yourself, you need some app. So in case you don't have the app on your phone, you go to Google Play Store and download it. You see this Mellow VPN on my screen. You see this Mellow VPN. You will need this. If you don't have it on your phone, go and download it on Google Play Store. And also this location changer. We are going to need it for this video, and we are going to be using our Firefox too. We are going to be using our Firefox web browser. So also in this video, we are going to be making use of this Google settings shortcuts app. We are going to be making use of this app. If you don't have it, you can just type the name on Google Play Store and install it on your phone. So let's proceed. What we are going to do now is we are going to on our VPN. We are going to on our Melon VPN. So this is our Melon VPN.
Need a loan to start your dream business? Now access quick loan to your bank account.
So as you can see on top here, I'm connecting to USA. That's where I'm connecting my VPN to. So just click on connect. The thing is connecting.
The future happens when we explore new frontiers. Gemini is the future of finance. Invest in over 30 crypto.
I'm connected already. So for you to be sure whether you are connected, you will see a sign on top of your screen. That's key sign. So that shows you are connected. On top here, that shows you are connected with the VPN already. So after that, we are going to click on our location changer. So we are going to click on it. So this is my location changer. In case you want to change the location from Florida, want to change it to somewhere else, like maybe New York, just type New York here. And click on start. So just click on start.
The future
So for you to be sure whether
the thing is working already. Just click on show map. As you can see, you are connected to New York already. So I'm connected to New York already. So the next thing to do now is to go to settings on your phone. Go to settings. I have my settings here. Just click on your settings. So and click on, I don't know, actually I'm using Infinix Note 8 for this video. I don't know the type of phone you are using, but just make sure you look for app management. So app management, yeah, on my own phone is app management. So I'll click on app management now and I'll click on app settings. I'll click on app settings. So these are my the app I have on my phone. So you will now look for Google related app, because Google used to track all these app. So that's why whenever we are doing self-clicking, we used to get banned often. Google used to track our phone through all those Google related app. So you are going to look for Google related app and browsers. These are the two apps we are going to look for and do some settings on them. So this one browser already brief. To click on the app, you click on storage. So you click on storage and cache. You clear the storage, you clear the cache, you go back. You also click on mobile data and Wi-Fi. The reason why we are doing this is to know whether the app is running on the background. So as you can see, the data is not running at the background. So in case the data is running, just click on it to off it. Go back and look for other apps. You see this Google Chrome, you click on it. You repeat the same process. Click on the storage, clear the storage and clear the cache. You go back, click on mobile data. As you can see, the Chrome is not running background data, so you go back. In case the Google Chrome is running background data, you just off it. You go back. We go back again and look for another app. See this drive, you click on it, it's a Google app. Drive is also a Google app. You click on storage and cache. You clear the storage, you clear the cache. you go back, you go back, you go back, you click on mobile data and Wi-Fi, whether to check the app is running background data, but as you can see, it's not running. Go back again. Let's look for another app. Yes, as you can see, this Facebook, we are going to repeat the same thing for it. Click on it, repeat the same process, clear the storage, clear the cache, go back, check whether the mobile data, whether the app is running background data. As you can see, it's not running. Go back again, look for another app. We are going to repeat the same thing with this Firefox. Firefox, this Gboard, we are going to repeat the same thing for it. Click on it, click on storage, clear the storage, clear the cache, go back, click on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and repeat the same process. Go back and look for another app. We repeat the same process with Gmail, Google. This Google, we repeat the same process for it. This Google Play Games, this Google Play Services, Google Play Store, Google Setting Shortcuts. We are going to repeat the same process. Gmail, clear the storage, clear the cache, go back, check whether the app is running background. As you can see, it's not running background. Go back, go back. Click on Google Play again. Clear the storage, clear the cache. Go back. Mobile data. Background data. Go back. So you click on this Google settings shortcut to and repeat the same process. Click on the storage and clear the storage, and also clear the cache. Go back. Let's look for another app. That's Google related app. This map, you repeat the same thing with this. You click on storage, clear the storage and clear the cache. Go back and check whether the app is running background. As you can see, the app is not running background. Go back, look for another Google related app. Look for another Google related app. As you can see, this is Opera Mini. You click on it, you repeat the same process. Repeat the same process. So you check whether the app is running background data. It's not running. So you go back. This Phoenix browser, you do the same thing. You do the same thing. You clear the storage, you clear the cache, go back, check whether the app is running background. It's not running background. This is one of the way we won't Google won't have access to our phone. So we are trying to avoid getting banned while doing our self clicking. You see anything YouTube tag you, is tag you. If you have it on your phone, you repeat the same thing. Yahoo Mail, you can repeat the same thing. Click on storage, just clear the cache and go back and check whether the app is running background. It's not running background, you go back. YouTube, we are going to do the same thing. Click on storage, clear the cache, go back, check whether the app is running background. It's not running background data. Go back, YouTube Music, you repeat the same process. Click on storage, clear the cache, go back and click on mobile data and Wi-Fi to check whether the app is running background, but it's not running background. Go back. So as you can see, we are done with this one. We are done with it. So we go back. We go back to so we go back here. So we are going to do some settings on our Firefox browser. That is the next thing to do now. We do some settings on our Firefox browser. Let me just click on my Firefox browser. Just click on it and click on these three dots. Three dots here. Click on it and click on settings. So as you can see, set as default browser. Set as default browser. I'm going to click on this button now to set as default browser. We are going to make Firefox our default browser. So whenever we are clicking our ADs, we'll be automatically using Firefox to do it. So I'll just click on it. As you can see, I'm just going to select Firefox here. So and I'll set it as default browser. So it has been set as default browser. So I'll go back. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is we are going to download some app on this particular browser. They call it add-on on this browser. We are going to add it to the browser. So you just click on these three dots
Just click on it and click on add-ons. So once you click on add-ons like this, as you can see, this first four you are looking at, the uBlock origin, the privacy badger, and this remaining two, I've already added it to my own Firefox. But when you are doing your own, it will just look like this one now. It will just look like this. So I'm going be adding be adding one out of this one showing recommended. I'm going to have it one for you to know how to add it to your Firefox browser. But this particular one, you are adding it to your browser. You are adding this one too. You are adding this one too. And you are adding this one to your browser too. So let me show you how you will add it. I want to add this one now. I want to add this one. So you just click on this plus sign. Just click on it and click on add. As you can see, the file is downloading already. The file is downloading already. So this particular file I'm downloading will be on this Firefox, and the reason why we are downloading it is, as you can see, they wrote it here. The reason why we are downloading it is because we want to stop trackers on this particular Firefox. We don't want Google to track us. We don't want Google to track what we are doing. As you all know that we are doing the self-clicking ourselves. So we don't want Google to know that we are the one doing the self-clicking. That's why we are adding this file to our Firefox. So we just click on OK. So as you can see, it has already been added to our list. So this one too, this particular app and this particular file rather. So as you can see, automatically learn to block invisible tracker. So this is what this app is going to be doing for us. It will block all the invisible tracker. The tracker the Google might be using, this is what will be blocking it, for them not to know that we are the one doing the self-clicking. So this one too, this one too, this one too, as you can see, falsify the data gathered by the tracking company. This one is going to falsify the data gathered by tracking company. So each of them have what they are going to do for us. So that's why we are adding it to our Firefox. So just do as I say now by adding it to your Firefox. So that will be all for what we'll be adding under this add-on. So let's go back. If you are having any question you want to ask, feel free to message me. I will be dropping a WhatsApp link under the description of this video. Just feel free to message me If you're having any issue, you want to ask anything, just message me. And also, let me also add this: the reason why people get banned by Google at times is because they do check their Google AdMore app. Sorry, Google AdMore account often and often. They do check it to know how much they earn, how much they have earned so far. So that's wrong. Google will be tracking you by that. Google will surely track you. They will know there is something wrong for you to be checking your earnings often. So Google will track you down like that. That's why most people do get banned whenever they are doing the self-clicking. So Google don't like it when you are checking your accounts often and often. So that's why most people get banned at times. So just take note of that. So let me quickly show you how I will make use of this app, this Google settings shortcut. So this app is mainly used to change our ADID. So for Google, it's just for Google not to know that is on one particular device. That's where the self-clicking is being done. So just click on the app. After downloading the app from Play Store, click on the app and click on AD settings. Click on AD settings. Before okay, you will click on reset advertising ID. But before clicking on it, I want you to take note of this number. So I want you to take note of it. As you can see, if I click on reset now, this number is going to change. This number is going to change. Let me just click on it. As you can see, the number has changed. So the advertising number has changed. So whenever we are doing the self-clicking, you come here and change the ID. So that's one of the way to fool Google. Since you are changing this ID, Google won't know you are the one doing self-clicking. You come here and change the ID, go and do your self-click again for some time, and come here again to change this advertising ID. Let me change this once again. Let me click on reset advertising ID again. As you can see, the number has changed again. So this is what this particular app used for. You can now go to your app and do your self click by yourself now without being detected by Google, without being tracked by Google. So you can click on your ad, do the self click yourself. But there is another thing I would like to add. Please don't do over click. Give yourself a particular, maybe you want to click on 20 ADs or 30 ADs. It's okay. Don't do over click. Google will dictate too if you are doing over click. So that will be all for now. Guys, please subscribe to this channel, click on like button, subscribe to get notification on more videos whenever I upload. Thank you.